Hello traders. Welcome back to my channel. Here are two kinds of trading strategy signals every trader should avoid using. Number 1. Repaint strategy signals. Huh? What is that? A repaint strategy signal will lag on live trading. Then suddenly it called the bottom or top perfectly. Looks great for backtesting but no use in live trading. So, how to tell if the strategy signal repaints? There are two ways to know if the signal is repainting. One way is through adding that indicator to your chart. Then, set an alert to it. Check on it after a few hours. On the alert log section, you will see how many times that strategy has given a signal. Match the time on alert log to its buy and sell signals on the chart. If it doesn't match, then it definitely is a repaint strategy signal. But here's an easy way. Click here. And go all the way down to the comments section. You will find a comment from a trader that says it is a repaint strategy. Two strategy signals like these. What did you notice? It opens a trade and then closes after a minute, or just a few seconds. Its backtest result may look promising and very tempting for us to use, but I'm telling you these kinds of signals will blow up your account. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching.